Hello, everyone. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. We'll get started shortly. Welcome, everyone. Hello, Sean. Welcome, Sean. Welcome.
Hi, David. How's it going?
Good, good. We'll get started shortly.
Okay, great.
Welcome. Hey, Zane. Welcome, Zane. Welcome. We'll get started shortly. Guys, this evening we'll go over stocks, options, and ETFs. Stocks, options, and ETFs. We'll get started shortly. Welcome, everyone. Stocks, options, and ETFs this evening. We'll get started shortly.
Hey, good evening.
Welcome, everyone. Welcome. We'll get started shortly. Again, stocks, options, and ETFs this evening. Hey, Stella, welcome, Stella, welcome. Hey, Bill, welcome, Bill.
Hey, dude.
Hello. Welcome, everyone. Guys, we'll get started shortly here. Stocks, options, and ETFs this evening. Hey, Tylak, welcome, Tylak, welcome.
Hi, David.
Hello, hello. We'll get started shortly, guys. We'll get started shortly. Hey, Gerald, welcome, Gerald, welcome. Hello. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. This evening, we'll go over stocks, options, and ETFs. Let me go ahead and share my screen. All right. All right. So you guys should see my trading screen here. Hey, Gerald, welcome, Gerald. All right. This evening, we're going to do something new here. We're going to start with, usually we start with the market, the indexes, but we'll start this evening with Monster ETF. Kind of want to show you guys where money is flowing. All right, where money is flowing. And right now, it's mainly in equities. All right. So as we go through this, you guys can stop me if you have any questions. All right. And then we'll open up the floor for any symbols you guys want to take a look at, any stocks that you guys might want to take a look at. Monster ETFs, I just want to show you guys here. All right. We do have some opportunities in emerging markets, right? So if you look here, emerging markets. Okay, so those of you who trade, I know Tylak, you have Monster ETF. Keep an eye on emerging markets, all right? So emerging markets, Brazil, and this just started showing up, right? India, all right? So see here, emerging markets right here. Chile, right? Israel, right? So we're starting to see a play in ETFs, Brazil, right here in emerging markets, all right? So just keep an eye on that. I don't think it's a big move yet, all right? But just keep an eye on that, okay? Might have a small opportunity. Here is emerging markets, Israel, right here, clearly in the markup phase, buy signal here. All right. Chile, same thing here, buy signal here, right? Not really great charts, but just wanted to show you guys. Okay, so
David, we're not seeing any of your charts.
you're not. Hold on. All right. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. All right. Thanks for letting me know, Bill. All right. How about right now?
Yep, they're up.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Thanks, Zane. All right. So here, guys, not a big opportunity, but I do want to go through this. It's it's something we need to keep an eye on. All right. This might develop into something bigger, larger, right? So it's just something. So emerging markets. All right. So just keep an eye on that. Let's since you guys didn't get a chance to see the screen. So right here, like I said, Israel. Here is Brazil, right here, and we track 1,100 ETFs. All right, 1,100 ETFs. We track that daily. So this is a bit unusual to see a lot of countries here, emerging markets, and with buy signals also. So what that tells us is that there's confidence, not a lot of confidence, in the U.S. market. So a lot of investors are starting now to invest abroad. All right. So just keep that in mind. All right. Another system we don't focus a lot on, all right, is our Monster short system. All right. This is a new system for us. And this will give us short opportunities. All right. So when the markets are going down, we can take advantage of short opportunities. And what I wanted to show you guys, we had page after page after page just about a month ago, right? Page after page after page of short stocks that were breaking down, right? Breaking down to the short side. All right. Kind of like this right here, like here. And what's interesting is that the opportunities are starting to dry up, all right, on the short side, right? And so that's encouraging for longs, right? Hey, Jasmine, welcome. All right, so that's encouraging for longs, okay, guys? So not a lot of still have some opportunities on the short side, but we had a lot more opportunities a month, 6 weeks ago. All right, so that's encouraging for bulls. All right, we went over the equity markets yesterday. So some of you that were not here, all right, we're going to go over it again. All right, so we have buy signals, guys. All right, Bill, I don't think you were here last night. All right, Gerald, okay, Tylak. So guys, we have buy signals on the daily time frames. Okay, so you guys know we had buy signals on the 240, right? And we've been waiting for buy signals on the daily time frames, and we have that now. All right, so we have buy signals here on the daily time frames. On the Dow, S&P, so this is the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and the Russell. All right, so all right, so S&P is right here. All right, S&P is right here, buy signal right here on the S&P. All right, price is moving higher. So that's really good for the equity markets. All right. Okay, right here, the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's looking really good, guys. Really, really nice price action. All right. Broke resistance, right? Markdown phase, right? Accumulation, right? Buyers came in. Buy signal right here, this blue arrow right here, clearly in the markdown phase. So you guys that are trading stocks, we should be all over these tech stocks, okay? Now the NASDAQ was one of the indexes that broke down the worst, all right? So we could see big moves to the upside, all right? And then here's the Russell, all right? Broke resistance right here, good price action, all right, in the markup phase. Now, we have to still be careful, right? We're not out of the woods yet. We're still in the overall markdown phase, right? Look here, all right? Overall markdown phase. Let's draw it out. And what we're doing is we're breaking out of that channel, okay? So if we look here, here's that downward channel. Stop me if you guys have any questions, all right? So here is the top of the channel here. Let's draw it out. And we are breaking out of that channel. Which is very encouraging. It's good news. All right. So here's the high of the channel right here, right? We've been making lower highs, right along that channel. And then here are lower lows, right? Found support right here. And now we're breaking out. Right, we are breaking out of that channel. All right, so price sellers didn't come back down, right, and bring the price down to retest support down in here, right? It broke out of that channel, which is good, However, we're still in the markdown phase. You guys see that? You guys see that?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, we're still in a markdown phase. So we have a long way to really get bullish. All right. to get really bullish, we got to get all the way up here, right? And retest the all-time highs. But that doesn't mean, guys, we can't get a good trading opportunity, okay, up in this area in here. All right. So it's very encouraging, right? So we got out of that, right? Out of that channel, and then we know we're breaking out of this. The next area to watch will be resistance in this area right here. If we can get past here, which we're not too far from that area here, all right, then we'll look to now test a larger, well, this is a larger support right here. All right, then we might look to test this area in here. All right, so, but good price action. We'll take it one day at a time. All right, one day at a time. All right, any questions on this? Any questions on this? All right. Okay. All right, so all the indexes, Dow's, NASDAQ, S&P, Russell, all giving a buy signal. The VIX was down, got into the teens, right? Got into the teens. Hey, Zaire, welcome. Got into the teens. It was at 19 and change yesterday. Moved up a bit. All right, but that's still good, right? You guys know, so volatility is coming down. That's really good, right? Really good for stocks. Volatility is continuing to come down. That's really good. Ideally, we want to get it in low teens. So 15, 16, 13, kind of like in here, down in this area here would be ideal, right? Ideal for stocks, but we'll take this right here, all right? So prices are definitely moving higher. So the sectors are moving higher, all right? So look here. You guys know a month ago, this was all red, right? Now it's all blue, up, moving nicely. Be careful of energy, right? Energy is moving down, all right? So be careful. That plays over for right now, all right? So energy stocks, we're not seeing a lot of energy stocks in our heat seeker system, all right? So which is good for gas, right? So you guys will notice that gas prices are continuing to come down, all right? So gas prices, I haven't looked at it today. I think it's, I don't want to guess, but last time I looked, it was about $90 a barrel, right? So gas prices should continue to come down. So we see new selling in energy, all right, and in crude oil, all right. But great price action in the sectors. So biotech, look at this, biotech is almost at 30, all right. We'll talk about biotech, all right. Technology, all right, technology. Transportation is making a move, but the big players right now, where capital is flowing, is technology and healthcare, biotech. All right, all right. Any questions on this? Stop me if you guys have any questions. All right, okay. This is new. I want to talk about this briefly. We got a buy signal. All right, buy signal on Bitcoin. All right, we did get a buy signal on Bitcoin last night. All right, on the daily time frame. All right, so we'll remove the short signal and we'll keep the buy signal. And this is on the daily time frame. So this is usually good for cryptos, good for Bitcoin. All right. The last time we got a buy signal was back in April, and then it failed. All right. Prior to that, the buy signals that we got were pretty successful. All right. Buy signal here, buy signal here, buy signal here. This one failed, so we've got a buy signal here. So We have been looking, guys, at support at 20,000, and very surprised that it held it, but it did hold support. We were looking for a target to go lower down to 10,000. Did not happen. So really held, traders really held support at 20,000. So right now it's at 23, almost 24,000. So we got a buy signal here. All right. So hopefully the next target right now will be, let's see here, at around, let's say around 30,000, and then we'll see what happens from there. All right. So you can get in positions. I would just be careful. Don't get too heavy. All right. Because a lot of selling occurred. Okay. So just be careful. You can trade it. Just be careful. All right. Any questions on, I just wanted to mention that. Any questions on Bitcoin? Any questions here? All right. All right. So let's talk about Stock Boss and the stocks in Stock Boss. All right. Keep an eye on basic materials. We are starting to see more stocks come in Heat Seeker from basic materials. All right. Now I haven't looked at these, so we can take a quick look. We don't have buy signals yet, right here, but they're setting up. So basic materials, that's going to be gold, silver, precious metals, okay?
Hey, David,
Yes, yes,
I'm not sure
Stella.
if it's just me, but your volume is really low.
Okay,
Is there any way to up it?
yeah, hold on.
Thank you.
All right. How about now? Is that better? Let me know when it's better.
You sound pretty good to me, David.
Okay. How about now?
Much better.
Much
Okay.
better.
Much better? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. I've been changing things around. I don't wear that headset anymore. All right. So yeah, let me know if you guys, yeah, if visual or sound isn't good. Thanks, Stella. Thanks for letting me know. All right. So keep an eye on basic materials. We might have a rotation here. Still early. All right. Still early, but kind of keep an eye on this. We always want to keep an eye on what, you know, what could be the next trading opportunity. All right. But we know that, right? You see energy, guys, you see energy here. Those of you who've been with us for a while, I know you guys remember when energy, when we had like just a ton of energy stocks. Okay. So right now, today, Heat Seeker ran and we only have a 6, right? 6. So that goes to show you, right? We shouldn't be in any energy stocks. I think it's had its run for a while. All right. But healthcare. Let's talk about healthcare. And I know several of you are still in healthcare. Healthcare biotech. All right. We went through some of Stella's stocks last night. Who else is in healthcare? Gerald, you were in healthcare, right? You had some biotech.
I got a couple positions in tech and transportation, but this one healthcare, TLRY, the one at the bottom down there on your screen, that TLRY, I want to see what it looks like.
TL, right?
Yeah, that one right there. Yeah.
Look at that volume, guys. 500.
Yeah, I like the volume on it.
Wow, 532 million shares traded. All right. It's are you in this one, Gerald? Or you watching?
I got in earlier today at about $4.08. So it looked like it fell on me, it pulled back on me as soon as I got in. So I just want to see, it got a white candle, so it looked like it's getting ready to either consolidate.
Yeah, yeah, you're fine, right? You support is all the way down here. All right, support is right here. at 309. So you should be fine. All right. You shouldn't get a sell signal. All right. The market was, I would say, flat today. All right. So that's why. But I would, yeah, you should be fine. And that is biotech. All right.
Right, yeah, that was.
Yeah. Do you have any others? Any
Yeah, I
other?
don't have any other healthcare. I do have a few technology I want to take a look at. Well, I don't have any more healthcare. If somebody else got healthcare they want to take a look at.
Okay. Anyone else have healthcare? Any healthcare stocks? Just Stella. Stella, we looked at yours. Any go
David,
ahead, Zaire.
let's look at, I know we looked at it last night. Give me a minute. That PACB.
PACB.
PACB, you have it somewhere.
PACB.
We looked at it last night.
PACB. Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. Are you in this one, Zaire?
Yeah.
Okay. Then that's
Yeah, I'm in this one too.
you in this one, Bill?
Yeah, I
Okay.
jumped in the other night after you talked about it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Just great price action, right? It spiked today, pulled back a bit. And I would say this is because of the market. The market was up pretty good, right? I think up 200 points. Closed, the Dow closed, I don't even know, but I know it closed. It didn't close high at all, not very high, probably 30 points or so. But I know the S&P and the NASDAQ were down a little bit. So that's, but look at this, right? And you guys stayed with it, right? You still in it?
Yeah,
I'm still in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold that long term. I mean, it still has a lot of potential.
Yeah, yeah. So this right here, this was a big move today. Big move today.
Yeah, that was a nice little spike about 11 o'clock this morning.
Yeah. So they really want to move it. This is a huge candle. Although it didn't close at the high, all right, it closed at the low. But that's still encouraging. Good price action, good markdown phase, right? Good markdown phase. All right. Perfect buy signal, nice accumulation, right? Nice accumulation, buy signal here. So yeah, hold on to it, right? Hold on to it. Okay, was there another one, Zaire?
Yeah, and then last night we looked also at ASXC.
AEX.
No,
X.
ASXC.
S. Okay. See. Okay. Okay. And those of you who are here, that's really what I would do, guys. I would follow these stocks also, right? You might not trade it, but this is how you learn, right? Follow these stocks that these guys are trading. All right. Just if you're not in them, follow, write down the symbols, kind of track them. All right. That's how we learn. Hey, Rose, welcome, Rose. All right.
Hi.
Hello, hello. All right. So look at this, guys. Zaya, good job. Great markdown phase. Great markdown phase. Buy signal. All right. Pull back a bit. Held support. And now it's really looking good price action. You see how this one here, right? You see how it made a big move up. This was your other stock, the one we just looked at, right? Made a big move, pull back, closed at the bottom, right, of that candle. But then look what happened. Buyers came in yesterday and came in today. All right. So don't get out of your trades when you guys, you look at your P&L, right? Like Bill said, yeah, this morning at 11 a.m., right? You had a big spike in the other one, pull back, closed near the bottom of that candle. But then guess what? right? You can get follow through similar to this one here. All right. In that markup phase, you're going to get stuff like this, right? You can things like it's going to happen like this. Just stay in the trade, stay in the trade, stay with them. Good job, Zaire. Good job. Good trade. Good trade. Stay with it. Don't close this. Don't take profits too soon. All right. Don't take profits too soon. The indexes are giving buy signals. We have buy signals on the daily, right? All of these sectors here are up, right? Crude oil is coming down. That should help these stocks move higher. VIX is coming down. So don't be too quick to take profits. Let this run. All right. And look at this. Zaire, where was your buy signal? Anywhere in here would be good.
Well, I got in at like kind of like 67 right there.
Okay.
65. 0.65.
Okay. The buy signal came in at 50, 51, 65. You got a pullback here. If it had got up in this area, that would have been too high, but this is okay. And this is a cheap stock, right? So you could get, let's see here, what's the potential? This fell. This is the weekly time frame. You guys are gonna love this trading. This is this $180? That's the high there, $180.
Yep.
Wow. You might not get 180, but let's say it gets to, you got pretty good resistance here.
Even if it gets to $1 plus, that's 100% and more.
I know. Oh my, let's see here. Here, you've got pretty good, pretty good resistance here. This is where the sellers came in at. Let's say you get a decent move out of this. And we're just messing around here, but you never know. You never know. So let's say, for instance, yeah, here is support. The next area is around $14, where you would see big support was right here, right? Look here. So if it holds, hold on to it. Hold on to it. So right here, right? Resistance here, right in here, resistance, support is right here, big support right here. So let's say it gets back, you get a push, right? Up to this area right here, that's 1450. And it's at 67. And let's say you get real lucky, right? Because now this becomes resistance and you start dealing with this area right here. I mean, but whew, yeah, good upside potential. And that's what we want. Good upside potential. All right. Let's put it back on the daily. Guys, always take a look. Not that you're going to trade it on the monthly or even the weekly. All right. But it's good to see, right, what the potential might be, you know, what the potential might be. All right. So keep an eye on this. All right. Keep an eye on it. Even on the weekly, on the daily. All right. I mean, really good. Hey, Janelle, welcome. All right. Really good price action here. All right. So keep an eye on this one. Hello. All right. So those of you who are looking for stocks, right? This is one here that even if you don't trade stocks, right? This is one here you guys can play with, right? I wouldn't put a ton of capital, right? But I would put a bit of capital on here. It's a low risk trade, right? You know, it closed at 67. You know, like Zaire said, if it gets to $120 right here, that's 100% of your money right here. That, all right. And we looked at the potential here on the monthly that fell at, look at this. This is the monthly here. Look at this. All right. So low risk, big reward, right? And we never know. We never know. So good job, Zaire. Any others, Zaire?
No, David, that's it. Thank you.
Okay. And this is biotech, right? This is biotech. So biotech will run. They will run. All right. And that's what's moving, right? That's healthcare. Look at this. Lots of healthcare. Lots of healthcare. All right. Lots of healthcare. Now, technology is the next group. Healthcare first. Healthcare first. All right. Biotech in particular. So healthcare, biotech, and then technology. All right. Now, Stella, last night, you had two technology stocks we were going to take a look at. You have those for me?
Yeah, I think one was BKKT.
KKT. Okay.
It was that one, and sorry, I don't have my thing in front of me.
Okay. Okay. BKKT.
Yeah. But it's doing better today. But
Okay. It's holding.
yeah.
Okay, it's holding. All right. It's holding.
Mhm.
And I wanted to take a look at, I know a few of you guys had yellow, YELL. Are you guys still in this? I think
Yeah, I'm still in yellow.
Zaire, you got out, right?